YouTube gang, I don't know what time it is, you know. Dan is back in the lab. Until you see what we do with today, Mr. Vanilla Car, Mr. V6, Mr. Suspect himself. Yes, wait. I suspect this I watch too. That's crazy. Yeah, man, gang there with Malie Donn, the one named Suspect. We'll check it out and see what dog I deal with. We see dog I preview this one on IG and a bunch of y'all line up and sitting and they're looking good. You know what I'm saying? So I check it out and see what dog I deal with the one here. Should have been doing a reaction, but we just now getting around to it. Never seen this video. You see me? Didn't even hear this song yet. So we're gonna check it out, see what dog I deal with. We're not going to fire much longer, you know? Yeah, man, Malie, Suspect, let's get it.
Suspect with the best pussy. Suspect with the best pussy.
Girl, line up. Good old girl, line up. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Can't stop calling, girl, away to me. Boom, boom, with a shave in a bushy.
Should be a crime, girl. Good, should be a crime. If you get lock up, wicked blood clean, girl. Just gonna get you thing and gone, so wicked, girl.
Suspect with the good.
Lock her up.
You will fly out your bitch, go. Punta Cana, Santo Domingo. She even understand the lingo.
Yeah.
And the body too long, body too.
Oh, Lord, why are you doing that? Why are you doing that to me? Behave yourself.
Blood clot long, and it make your girl limp.
Oh, Lord, that's such a beautiful sight. Such a beauty.
Come let me take you to a land and never timber. Girl come for the day and never jimbo. All the pretty bitches put their hands up,
All the pretty bitches put your hands up. From you watch Dan Mafia, from you watch Jambisco Dan and he's a pretty girl. Put your hands up, mama. Drop a comment. Oh, I'm two pretty girls only. Come to
Antigua, girl, tiga. Girl, fly up Antina. Bad Caribbean girl, wind up your waistline is a bad man a Priya. Antigua, girl, tiga. Girl, fly up Antina. Bad Caribbean girl, wind up your waistline is a bad man a Priya. Suspect with the best pussy. She sip on it and my dog pass you only. You will smile me like you.
Suspect have the best bumbo. Hey, up, watch you.
Bad Caribbean girl, wind up your waistline is a bad man a Priya. Suspect with the best pussy. She sip on it and my dog pass you only.
Hear that? She said pan the done. Pass the what? Yo, what you, eh?
With the best pussy. She sip on it and my dog pass you only. You will smile me like your tight pony. I like vice you ride my bike, booby. Bad girl, shake up your booty. Bad bitch.
And the whole time me like your pony, man.
You ride my bike, booby. Bad girl, shake up your booty. Bad bitch. Show 6 and a lorry. Rest a girl, them a chicken head, so me could
Yeah.
She full attitude, yeah, she moody.
Yes, mama, shake up. Hey, yeah, man, 6. Lodi, mama. Tell some girl that chicken head, so we cook that.
6 and a lorry. Rest a girl, them a chicken head, so me could bitch. She full attitude, yeah, she moody. Antigua, girl, tiga.
Yes.
Girl, fly up Antina.
Yes.
Bad Caribbean girl, wind up your waistline is a bad man a Priya. Antigua, girl.
Ooh, black, arch them. I like. Ooh, oh my, this is a beautiful
Girl,
video.
fly up Antina. But
This is a beautiful video. Amazing scenery. The director really captures the creative aspect of the music, you know? Yeah, man. The director was able to capture the inner beauties of these ladies.
wind up your waistline is a bad man a Priya.
Yeah, man. So beautiful. Work of art.
Antigua, girl,
Yeah, man.
tiga. Girl, fly up Antina. Bad Caribbean girl, wind up your waistline is a bad man a Priya. Ma push it in and pop it.
Bad man, I pray, mama. Don't get it twisted. Show up on the YouTube here on some joke. Don't get it twisted.
So
Hey!
pussy fat, skinny thought from back. If your boyfriend mean, just fuck pan that. Send him a video, you a bounce pan cock. Back full of hate knock, take tough flank cock. Bro, man a red flag, better run that cash move. If you not clear a sheen cat, him a waste man. Girl, run that man.
If you not clear a sheen cat. Yo, hey, yo, easy, you know, hey boy, Malie, I spend so little cheap money for the girl feel like say, yo, yeah, do something. I like the over the hey boy, you just have to you boy, you're full of style, a pattern, you just have, watch out.
Antigua, girl, tiga. Girl, fly up Antina. Bad Caribbean girl, wind up your waistline. Is a bad man a prayer. Antigua girl, Tiga. Girl fly your pantina. Bad Caribbean girl, wind up your waistline. Is a bad man a prayer. Takana Santo
Bad man a prayer, mama want you.
Domingo, she need to understand me
Limbo.
And the body too long, body too blood clot long, and it make a girl limbo.
Oh, I'm tear. Yeah, limbo, brother. Yeah. Can't live. Boy, my boy. Yes, mama. I like that.
Maybe fly out the beach, go. Santo Domingo.
Bingo.
She need to understand me
Lingo.
and body too long, body too blood clot long, he will make a girl
Limbo. Oh, I'm tear. Hey, don't think I joke on a song. Yeah, move up. Yeah, man. Jambisco go there, you know.
Bad bitch love gun, man.
Easy, no. Those skirt.
Yo.
Skirt and blouse.
Kuya watching our creative click shoot the one I hear that.
Click.
Leave the man.
Mali. Blouse and skirt. That one dead dog. Suspect. Suspect with the title. Suspect with the title. Suspect with the good body. Suspect with the do the. You know what I'm saying? Suspect. Big up yourself, man. Suspect you also get locked up too. Cause wickedness. You can't just grow with them good stuff there and just you know, do them thing. That's criminal. Yeah, man. No girls with the good stuff. You know, if you get locked up, that's criminal. You just grow in the dog them and introduce the dog to that good stuff, and then the dog them addicted, and then you just want to leave the dog them heartbroken. That's wickedness, man. That's wickedness. That's why I share paradise and then cut paradise. That's wickedness, man. Can't do the youth them. We're not traumatize the artist them. We're not traumatize the artist them, man. Jesus and peace. Well, you know the top girl is like we, you know. You see me, I say, you can't come fears with this. We make Udo get addicted now. Udo, hey, we not go this. We not go this. But anyway, big up on them self. Yeah, man, gang, we know anything but the one they feel like it. They can show the artist them some love and support. But you know, say the dancing, you know. What can I go like, you know, focus on so what go on? Focus on me. What go on? A fuse on there. And the other me a fuse. Alright. Yeah. But yeah. Yeah, dope chat, man, gang. Let me know anything about the one day. If you like it, show that some love and support, make you know start dancing. As I say, we on the grind, gang. We not playing with their ass. We on the grind. I'm not playing with y'all. Straight bangers and videos on it's happening around the clock non-stop. I'm just gonna be dropping them. When I gonna say, yo, what go on? This man turning now a video factory. Yes, man, this is a video factory, bro. Now I'm playing with them. Videos are drop, bangers are drop, reaction them lit, thoughts insightful. You see me and say, yeah, man, we not play, man. Yeah, man, I drop some, I deliver great value in these videos, entertaining while giving us some info at the same time. You see me? Yeah, man, gang, I hope everything, man. I start showing them more personal style and things. You see me and say, me, I was fresh, you know. My name I really take, you didn't go too serious, I take the YouTube thing, but now I'm about to actually take it a little serious. So, yeah, when, you see me and say, stay fresh and tempt, you know what I'm saying, show me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Nobody feel like saying, subscribe to no bum over here. You see me? I just need alright, enough talking. Gang, till next time, take care of yourself and each other, love you guys. I'm